First, what we're going to do is cut a foot off of our OSB board because I don't think it's necessary to have it 8 feet tall. I think 7 feet tall is plenty good. Originally, I was going to keep them at 8 foot, so we bought 2x4s that were 8 feet long, and it was supposed to be bam, 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 put them together. But then the more I thought about it, it was like, man, that extra foot, that's extra skeleton pieces I gotta put on there. I think it's gonna be too tall, so I'll just go ahead and do the cutting. I got this long ass thing because I don't know where the other ones are. So don't talk shit, okay? Alright, for some reason it wasn't recording. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, so what I did is I put one screw around those, and now I'm just going to use brad nails because I'm not having any luck with that long ass bit, and my husband has all the tools. So I'm just making do with what I have. Then what I did is I measured and marked the middle. Then I measured the 2x4 and marked the middle, so I can line those up, so that way when it's all together and I put the sheets on, 2x4 will be right down the middle.
I do this all the time.
I made another mistake. Oh well, it is what it is, right? It's just a fucking photo backdrop anyways, you know what I mean? Like, brad nail this bitch down. No, I said I wasn't going to fix the bottom, but I decided to go ahead and fix it. So you can see, I went across and I just cut out with a saw. I made it to where I could put that bottom piece on and everything is nice and flat now. I went around all the edges with 3-inch screws to make sure it was nice and good, because I used 2-inch screws and the bottom piece fell off because I used 2-inch screws. So I went through and all the way around, I put in 3-inch screws.
So let's stop talking, let's shut the fuck up, and let's see what we do. Because remember, spray paint eats foam.
I had to move this. Let me tell you.
Dude, this is a heavy bitch. Whoo! Heavy, heavy, heavy bitch. All we're doing is watching your ass. That's all we're watching.